Hi there, boys and girls. I'm your friendly fox friend, and I'm so excited to take you on an amazing alphabet adventure today. We're going to learn all about letters and discover fun words that start with each one. Are you ready to begin? Let's get started. Let's meet our first letter, Ah. Can you make the Ah sound with me? A is for apple, a delicious red fruit that makes a wonderful snack. Let's say it together, Ah, apple. Next up is the letter B. It makes the buh sound. B is for ball, a fun toy we can bounce and play with. Try saying it buh, ball. Here comes C. This letter makes the k sound. C is for cat, a furry friend who loves to purr and play. Let's practice k, cat. Now we have the letter D. It makes the duh sound. D is for dog, a loyal pet who loves to wag its tail. Say it with me, duh, dog. Look at the letter E. It makes the S sound. E is for elephant, a big gentle animal with a long trunk. Let's try it together. Elephant. Swimming our way is the letter F. It makes the f sound. F is for fish who glides through the water with colorful fins. Can you say fish? Here's the tall letter G. It makes the g sound. G is for giraffe with its long neck reaching up to the trees. Let's say g, giraffe. Time for the letter H. It makes the h sound. H is for hat, something we wear on our heads. Try saying hat. Here's the sweet letter I. It makes the is sound. I is for ice cream, a cold and tasty treat. Let's practice ice cream. Jump up for the letter J. It makes the j sound. J is for jump, an action that gets us moving. Say it with me, jump. Flying high is the letter K. It makes the k sound. K is for kite, soaring through the sky on a windy day. Let's say kite. Roaring in is the letter L. It makes the lu sound. L is for lion, the mighty king of the jungle. Try saying lion. Swinging by is the letter M. It makes the m sound. M is for monkey, who loves to climb and play in trees. Let's practice monkey. Here comes the letter N. It makes the n sound. N is for nest, a cozy home for baby birds. Can you say nest? Rolling in is the letter O. It makes the O sound. O is for orange, a juicy fruit full of vitamin C. Say it together, O, orange. Waddling along is the letter P. It makes the p sound. P is for penguin, a bird who loves to swim and slide. Let's say penguin. Here's the royal letter Q. It makes the qu sound. Q is for queen, who wears a beautiful crown. Try saying queen. Hopping by is the letter R. It makes the r sound. R is for rabbit with soft fur and long ears. Can you say rabbit? Shining bright is the letter S. It makes the s sound. S is for sun, warming our days with light. Let's practice sun. Growing tall is the letter T. It makes the t sound. T is for tree, reaching up to the sky with green leaves. Say it with me, tree. Opening up is the letter U. It makes the sound. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry in the rain. Try saying umbrella. Making music is the letter V. It makes the V sound. V is for violin, an instrument that makes beautiful sounds. Let's say violin. Splashing in is the letter W. It makes the W sound. W is for whale, swimming in the big blue ocean. Can you say whale? Here's the special letter X. It makes the kiss sound. X is for xylophone, a musical instrument we can tap to make fun sounds. Practice saying keys, xylophone. Bright and cheerful is the letter Y. It makes the y sound. Y is for yellow, the color of sunshine and happy things. Let's say yellow. Last but not least is the letter Z. It makes the z sound. Z is for zebra, with black and white stripes all over. Try saying zebra. Wonderful job, everyone. You've learned all 26 letters of the alphabet. I'm so proud of you for learning each letter and its sound. Keep practicing your letters and discovering new words. Remember, reading is fun and magical. Goodbye for now, my friends.